This is a comedian, Lady Nanziri. She has diabetes.
Ono mchala Nanziri munakatemba ayina obulwadde bwa sukaali azanya comedy
At a level of 12.9
ali bitundu 12 n'obutundu 9
for 3 years and has obesity.
ate ayina omugejjo.
Prayer to flash out.
Be held
Wonyezebwa.
in the mighty name of Jesus.
Linnya ly'amannya lya Yesu. I did not expect this.
What were you not expecting?
Kiki obadde tosuubira?
Ebbanga lye mmaze nga nkulaba nga sikwagalangako.
The time I spent
Nkwagadde
watching
ennaku
you,
2
I have never liked you, man of
era
God.
neereese nga tewali andeese.
But I've liked you within
So
2
you
days. I
thought
brought
it was comedy?
myself. Obadde olowooza katemba? Yes. Follow me! Watch, brethren, what is happening now?
Omulaba ekigenda mu maaso abooluganda
The lady cannot be stable.
kyala kyateredde.
You too, you are doing comedy now.
Atozanya comedy. Right now, are you in the comedy now?
Tozanya. Nze Nanziri Annette, comedian, film star.
I'm the well-known
Azanya
comedian.
ebina Uganda ku bukedde.
Kati owulira otya?
How are you feeling now?
Bulungi.
I feel fine.
Bane nazze n'omwana wange oba aliwa bambi. Bushra, mama mponye.
I am healed, my daughter.
Nazze nina kilo 21 kati mpulira nina 10.
I came with 121 kilos, but apparently I feel like
Bushra tokaaba.
I'm having
Ne
100
school
kilos.
fees tugenda zifuna. Sikwagalangako.
Pastor, I
Era
have
nze
never,
nga
never
nkuulira
liked
nga
you.
tubeerayo. Baalabitawo nga ngamba omwami wange nti ŋŋenda n'agamba nti tosobola olimba. Ne mugamba ŋŋenda era twakedde essaawa 10. Banne mwenna mbaagala nnyo. Tuli mu kintu.
Man of God, I have never, never liked you. But it was surprising 2 days
Ndi
ago
mulamu.
when I told my husband that I've made up my mind to go to the Kakande Ministries.
Nabbi bw'abadde ansabira
121 kg.
kamunguluze. Kamunguluze aba mungi nnyo nnyo. Wakoonako katono owuliranga gwe bakubye bazuka.
When the man of God was praying for me, I felt like a very strong wind throwing me down. I felt a lot of dizziness,
Eh?
but right now I'm totally healed. Special prayer for this young lady, the daughter of our mama here.
Muwala w'omukyala ono Nanziri yasabirwa.
Kale katumalirize n'omwana akola ati abumba obubumbi obw'aba celebrities ab'enjawulo twalowooza